Creating an account on HubPages is a simple process. Follow these steps to get started. Visit HubPages. Go to HubPages using your web browser. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Provide your details. Enter a unique username that will be displayed on your profile. Provide a valid email address to receive notifications and updates from HubPages. Create a secure password for your account. Choose a display name. Select a display name or author name that will appear alongside your articles on HubPages. Agree to terms. Review HubPages' terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box agreeing to them. Verify your email. After signing up, you will receive a verification email from HubPages. Open your email inbox and click the verification link to confirm your account. Complete your profile. Once verified, log into your account and complete your profile by adding a short bio, social media links, and any additional information you would like to share with your readers. Start writing. Now that your account is set up, you can begin creating and publishing content on HubPages.